Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. As usual, we're so noisy here. And we have a lot of things going on. So I think my last video, we're start working on the lanai. So we're trying to figure out which our lanai is gonna be the kubun. So if you see there's a wood there, that's where they're gonna use to join the wood from here. There's gonna be unsay size sa kuana na doon kanang kahoy nga na to 4 by 2 by 6 the wood. We're gonna put the cross here, and right now there's how many people at work on this. So they're drilling the hole there. We're going to use, of course, bolts for that. We use a lot of bolts and the connections here.
Lar,
Here comes Mike.
dapat na sulit yung lar.
Where are you going?
Sabay mo mo.
Huh?
Sabay naman.
Where are you going? Oh, your phone. Do you have your phone with you?
Gamay na yung phone.
Ay, oh, lagi na eh. Sasakyanan. Bam! Ah, dahil tubig. Di rin wapakuhag tubig. Ha? O, pilang may kita. Mawagog taas sa bahay siguro. Hirap ko na dito. Awa pa kuha umulis Michael. Padalang to niya. We have it under the seat. No, we have it under the seat, my seat. Sorry, we're oh boy. I also have this clean yesterday over here. See? And the Bermuda, they're crawling good. And this the area here, see that Bermuda I planted? It's already growing. It's already crawling. So this area is pretty clean now. I have one guy here that do the maintenance of the yard. You found it? Found it? No.
You took them out, Boom. Unless they slid back there. I think they're gone.
Kami unda pa man kakay dito lar.
Pagsun, gamay nato, di may gumam. Dahil lang nato.
Kuha da boom. That's the
What? Okay.
oh the bread.
Oh.
Ladadara guring pan lar.
You can't carry much.
Do you have your cell phone with you, right?
This one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the cell's there.
Your phone.
My cell phone is there.
Okay, you can't text me then. Look who's in the window. It's Pinky. Pinky. So to our new subscriber, this is our garage, by the way. The 2-car garage. And that's Mike's weight room. So here we have a lot of things we gotta do in this. Those are my brother's chickens, by the way. So this area here is pretty clean. My other guy is doing good maintaining the yard. Of course, he has everybody can put a hammock here anywhere because it's a nice shaded area. There's a lot of nice shaded area here. Of course, these are mama's plants. See, look at that. Plants everywhere. So here, this is the main house. We're trying to finish. We already have a design to put on top of that. We just have to have a guy make it for us. So everything on this house is always what we want. We design. We have the materials that we put it in here. Everything is all what we want. Everything is so here it's pretty. You see, this is the porch, and this area here I'm going to put a ceiling and put a garden here, and we still have to look for plants for that. We're working on the ceiling for the main house. This is all the electrical. Open floor plan, kitchen, dining, and living room. You can see the big view. See the view. So we're moving along pretty fast this couple of weeks. I'm going to show you again the mountain here. So Larry already put a first coating on this one. So if you see, there's the result. You still have to put a something to make it shine. That's how. That's not gonna be the. This one has two ceiling fans here. We're looking at the Hunter Douglas, but we can't find the design that we like, but we're getting there. So those are the moldings that we got.
Nasa na yun, nasa na. Sapaw ni nasa na.
Last na na. So this is the guest bathroom. I like how the house looks good. Mura mag-boss ado ro na.
Na, ako gipabisbis. Kuha rito tabang.
Sinong ado lagi?
Oo, bisbis ko kan, bisbis ako.
Mura magkukita gani na gud niya.
Hapdi.
Naghapdi ra? Naghapdi ra siya. Anong kahibaw ko?
Ang pulot din sa, umuli natin din sa galing sa loob. Pare-pare sa tanan.
Oh.
Okay, sige.
Oo, parehara tanan. Last na na, color na na. Di na na mo koloran lang, no? O koloran pa.
Umanak mo sinaw.
Look at the electrical. They're doing some cleaning for the one that's for the beans. Asa mas Django? Django! Oh, nagusa na Django. Django! Unsa man ka? Ha? Magbaid. Ikaw man ana. Magkuanta na tong mga shell atong kuan atong ipangbutang aring garden ha. Di, mga shell ako tong atong sinako ba? So, thank you guys for watching. I'm just giving you some updates. And we're hoping, me and Mike is hoping that we're gonna be finished this in 2 to 3 months. We're hoping it's gonna be lesser than that because our sliding doors, the agreement they should deliver it like before Christmas, but because of the holiday, it's hard. I think it's hard for them to do the paperwork coming into Bohol. So I told them if you can just deliver it first week of January, that would be fine because we're still doing a lot of woodwork there anyway. So that's in a sense, and I don't want that. I don't want that the windows to be hit by the big wood there for the ceiling. So that's why I told them it's okay. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you also to the one who subscribe our channel. And thank you and God bless, and have a good day. See ya, bye.